In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement bar to your Squarespace website. By the end, you'll have a clean, site-wide banner you can use to highlight promotions, important updates, or time-sensitive notices without touching any code. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and you've opened the website you want to edit. You'll be working inside the editor so you can see changes right away. On the main dashboard, look toward the top left for the small search icon. It's a quick way to jump straight to the setting you need. Click that search icon, type announcement bar, and select it from the results. This takes you directly to the announcement bar settings panel, which controls the banner that appears at the very top of your pages. Now you'll set what the bar actually says and where it sends visitors. In the message field, write a short, clear line that communicates the most important information. Think of it like a headline, a limited amount of space that needs to do a lot of work. Keep it concise, punchy, and action-oriented, so people immediately know what's being offered or announced. Next, add the destination for that message by pasting in a link you want it to point to. This can be a page on your site, like a sale, a new collection, a booking page, or a blog post, or an external link. Use the full URL and double-check that it's correct, so visitors land exactly where you want them. Pairing a tight message with a relevant link is what turns a simple notice into a useful call to action. When your message looks good and your link is in place, click Save. That's it. Your announcement bar is now active and will appear across your site, sitting neatly at the top so it's visible without being intrusive. If your timing matters, say you're promoting a limited offer, remember that saving instantly pushes the change live, so visitors can start acting on it right away. As a quick recap, you searched for announcement bar using the top left search icon, you edited the message and pasted the link you want it to go to, and you clicked Save. With just those steps, you've added a flexible, high-impact element to your Squarespace site that's perfect for promotions, alerts, and updates. Keep your phrasing clear, your link accurate, and your message focused, and you'll make the most of this simple but powerful feature. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined new announcement bar.